It's normal. I told you. This is nice. This one. This one.
全场任选了啊！任选8.2折了啊！全场任选2件起8.2折了，慢慢挑啦。好吃可以带一点啦。
Sounds like good. Wife for 7 ways. My neighbor are Chinese and they are so nice. Yes, some of them. Because you know what, Chris? Mostly worker here came from China. From the Middle Land. One time I will show you the border from China to Macau. Mostly so many people, you cannot walk like this. So many, very crowded, because mostly working here, living in China. This is another souvenir. You cannot get as long you pay. No pre-taste here. All souvenir. Because they did not do a good job selling, Chris. Yeah, mostly. All the sales lady or, you know, I'm full now. I cannot. It's already full. I need a milk tea. I need milk tea. I'm so thirsty. It tastes. This one. Did you hear that? So crunchy. It's big. You're back, sort of. I'm still here. I'm not turn off my phone. I'm not turn off my live. I need to buy milk tea. Peter, did you hear me? Your signal is crap. Oh, it's not good. I'm still here. I never end my live.